How many people here have ever had a slice of pizza? Okay, all of you. Now, how many people here have ever had a stuffed artichoke? That is exactly the response I was looking for. Stuffed artichokes are rare, but rapturous and reasonably within budget because they only have a few ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stuffed artichoke. At first, they may seem a little intimidating. Even today, when I was going to the grocery store, the lady in front of me said, "Oh, are those artichokes? Are you going to make stuffed artichokes?" And I told her I was. And then she asked me to teach her how. So I was telling her the process, and she immediately became overwhelmed, and that will not happen today because I'm going to show you step by step on how to make them. First comes choosing an artichoke. When you're at the grocery store, you should look for one that's completely green and has as little brown spots as possible. It should also be round in shape because they are the best for stuffed artichokes, and tightly held together because they are the best for stuffing. Once you get home, you're going to take the stems and cut them off as well as the top. So it'll look like this. Then you're going to take each individual leaf and cut the point off. This may seem tedious, but with a group of people, you can get it done fairly quickly. This is a meal I would always make with my mother and sister when I was younger, because it's a lot of steps, and for one person, that's a lot of work. But with a group of people, you can get it done in no time. This is what you'll have once you've done everything. As you can see, the top has been cut off, as well as the stem and all the pointy leaves. At this point, you're ready to stuff it. But before you get to that, you have to make sure that you rinse it in cold water, making sure to get in between each leaf. After all, it is a vegetable and it could be dirty. Once it is clean and you feel that you're ready to move on, you are going to make the stuffing, which I have for you over here. You take a cup and a half of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. That's basically all the ingredients you will need for the entire recipe. Along with some olive oil and some lemon juice, that's it. Not bad at all. Then you're going to mix this up and stuff your artichokes. Using a spoon, you're going to stuff each individual leaf. And once again, this may seem tedious, but with a group of people, you can get it done in no time. Then you're ready to start steaming them. Make sure you have a pot that is big enough to fit all the artichokes. And as you can see here, we have about 1 inch of water on the bottom. You're going to take the artichokes and place them standing up straight in the water. Once all of them are in there, you can put some garlic in the water or whatever else you want to add some flavor, and you're going to put the top on. Let them simmer for roughly 45 minutes. Just to make sure they're done at the end, you can take the lid off, and if one of the leaves comes off very easily, you know it's done. Or my mom always says, you can take a knife and if it stabs right through, you know you're done. So the next time you're looking for something to do with friends and you're not sure, try making stuffed artichokes. They're rare, rapturous, and reasonably within budget. They're also have a lot of nutritional facts. For each artichoke, which is roughly 25 calories, there are up to 16 nutritional essentials that go along with it. So next time you're thinking, why? Ask yourself, why not?